Hello students, today we will learn how to solve problem related to coding decoding. This is very important for any exam point of view because it is asked in almost every exam. Be it CAT, be it SSC, railways or any kind of technical exams, GATE, IES, bar, it is asked everywhere. So today we will learn tricks how to solve coding decoding problem. What is coding decoding? Let us understand it first. So this could be understood by thief and police. So what does the thief do? Thief codes the entire situation and steals it, and then comes the police to rescue it and decodes the entire problem and then find the real culprit. So the examiner here is playing the role of thief. It will code something for you and then you will come to rescue it and decode it and find the solution to the problem. Okay, so there are two tricks. The first trick is of respective numbering. What is respective numbering? So there are 26 alphabets in our English. Those alphabets are designated numbers from 1 to 26 onwards: A1, B2, C3, D4, E5 and so on. But in the exam, if somebody asks what is the number, if we are required to solve for what is the number of n, then we don't have time to go and count till 14 and then find, oh, n is 14. No, we don't have that much time. The trick here is the word EJOTY, EJOTY, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. So now if we remember EJOTY, then it becomes easier for us to solve for any numerical value of any alphabet. So somebody asked me the value of W. W comes after T. What is T? T is 20. So the value of W would be 23. T, U, V, W. 20, 21, 22, 23. W is 23. Somebody are asking me the value of N. N comes before O. What is O? O is 15. If you remember EJOTY, O is 15. Before O, N is 14. We can see here the value of N is 14. So now this will makes our work a little bit time consumption little bit cut short, because otherwise if we are going to write this and then find numerical value of these alphabets, it will take a lot of time, like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes it will take for us to solve the question. So EJOTY will cut down the time consumption and we can solve the question in hardly 30 to 45 seconds, whatever time it takes. Not more than 45 seconds it will take. Okay. Now the next trick is of opposite pairing. If we divide our alphabets into two equal parts, we can divide it from n, 13, 13. Okay. Now you can see A, the opposite of A from here is Z. Opposite from B from here is Y. Okay, any seventh number from this side makes pair with seventh number from this side. Seventh number from this side is G. Seventh number from this side is T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this G and T makes a pair. Ninth number from this side and ninth number from this side will make a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. R. Okay. And then I and R makes pair. Either we say opposite from this side are making pair, or we say mirror image from this side. Mirror image of M makes N, L makes O, K makes P. Okay. But how to remember this during exam? We have understood it, but how to remember it during exam? We cannot go on to write this and then solve. Okay, because we hardly have 30 to 45 seconds to solve any question. We are not going to write this and then solve the question. What is the trick? The trick is, first, A, B, C can be easily remembered by X, Y, Z. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Opposite of A is Z. Opposite of B is Y. Opposite of C is X. C, X, B, Y, A, Z. A, B, C is easily remembered as X, Y, Z. How to remember the opposite of D? Opposite of D here is, we can see, W. Fourth from that side, fourth from this side. Fourth from the right and fourth from the left makes the pair DW. Doodh wala. Doodh wala comes and serves us milk every morning. Doodh wala. Now what is the opposite of E? Remember the word love. The word love can otherwise ruin your life, but for this question it will make your time consumption easier, because it will give the opposite value of L and V. Make two pairs. Okay. L makes pair with O, V makes pair with E. Opposite of E is V. Fifth from this side, E is fifth from this side, and fifth from this side, which is V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes pair. So love gives the opposite of E and L, or we can say O and V. Opposite of L is O, opposite of O is L, opposite of V is E, opposite of E is V. Okay. So E, V, F, anything we do must be useful. Even if we are solving this question or learning this, it should be useful for us, so that we can get through any exam, competitive exam. So useful, remember F by the word useful. Anything you do should be useful. Opposite of G, how to remember? Seventh from this side is T. How to remember that the opposite of G is T, or opposite of T is G? The road which is there in almost every city, Indore, Mumbai, Chennai, Allahabad, everywhere, GT road, GT road. So remember, opposite of G is T or T is G, GT road. Opposite of H, the word Hari Shankar. Opposite of H, Hari Shankar. Hari Shankar, the eternal, the immortal, Hari Shankar. Okay. Now the opposite of I, Indian Railways. Remember the opposite of I by the word Indian Railways. Opposite I art, Indian Railways. Opposite of J. 10th from this side and 10th from this side. Q. J and K makes pair. How to remember this? This is the time of lockdown, so we don't see people standing in queue very often. But otherwise in India, we see people are standing in queue for almost anything and everywhere, be it bank, be it railway or any normal shop. We can see people standing in queue. Okay, people, janta in Qatar, janta in queue, janta in people in queue, janta in Qatar. K. What is the opposite of K? Opposite of K is what was the place where all of our freedom fighters were arrested and put into jail? Kala Pani, KP. Kala Pani, KP, remembered. Opposite of L. Opposite of L is remembered by the word love, LO. LO makes the pair. Opposite of L is O, or O is L. MN. Because this gives division, we can clearly see. MN. So, let us revise this, otherwise we can forget it anytime. Okay? Now, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Done? Doodh wala. E by the word love, EV, F useful, GT road, Hari Shankar, Indian Railways, जनता कतार में लगी रहती है, काला पानी, LO by the word love, and MN. Done. Okay. Now let us solve question and apply it. So the first question I have for you guys is, now the question given to you is booklet. They said the word booklet is coded as DSUSVQH. Okay. The word booklet is coded as this. Then what will be the code for word answer? Okay. We have to find relationship between them first, and then we have to apply that relationship here. Whatever pattern is used to convert booklet into this, the same pattern will be used to convert answer into something else. We have to decode that problem. Okay. Now B, we know the number for B is 2, number of D is 4. The relation between 2 and 4 is of plus 2 or 2 square. Let us remember both. Either it will be 2 square or it will be plus 2. Okay. O, we can write plus 2, or remember it is 2 square. Okay. Now O, what is the value of O? 15. What is value of S? 19. O is 15. 15 plus 4 gives 19. So here they have added 4. So the possibility of 2 square has been ruled out, because we can see from 2 to 4 we have gone plus 2, and from 15 to 19 we have gone plus 4. Now let us decode the value of O here. O is 15. Value of U. What is the value of U? You have to find out the value of numerical designation of U from here. T is 20. T, U 21. So from 15 to 21 we have gone plus 6. 15 to 21 we have gone plus 6. What is K? J is 10. K is 11. And then S 19. 11 to 19 plus 8. So now we have identified the pattern. half of the job is done for us. So easily half of the job is done for us. Okay. Now similarly, plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, just to make it even more clear, L should be plus 8. What is value of L? J, K, L, 11, 12. Value of L should be is 12. And now 12 and then we have V. 12 to V. What is the value of V? We have to find the value of V from here. T. T, U, V. 20, 21, 22. So from 12 to 22 plus 10. So similarly plus 12 plus 40. Now answer. We have to add plus 2 here, plus 4 here, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10 and plus 12. Okay. A is 1 plus 2 will give 3 and 3 is C. N is 4. Okay. Here we have to add 4 to N. So, what is value of N? We have to find out from here. 15. O is 15. N would be 14. 14 plus 4 gives 18. 18 would be R. Done. Now, S. S is 19. 19 plus 6 gives 25. 25 is 5. Okay. W. What is W? W is 23. 23 plus 8 will give you 32. So, sorry. 23 plus 8 will give you 31. But do we have any designation of 31 in our alphabet series? No. So we have to go from 23 to 26 and from A we have to add plus 5 because 26 is Z. So 23 to 26 we have gone plus 3. We have reached Z and from Z we will continue from A onwards. If we have reached Z then we can only go for A, right? A to Z and again A to Z. After that we will go for A. Plus 3 we have already added. We have to add plus 8. So plus 3 is done. Plus 5. Remaining is plus 5. From plus 5 from A onwards. This gives us A plus 5. 1 plus 5 E. Okay. Done. Now we are left with E. E is 5. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 is O. Okay. R is 12. Now we have to add 12 to the numerical value of R. What is our numerical value of R? 18. 18 plus 12. Again we have crossed 26. So first we have to go reach 26 and then from A onwards we have to reach the left of the addition. Okay. So 12 to 26. 12 plus 8 we will reach 26. 12 plus 8. Done. We have reached Z. And from A onwards we have to reach plus 6. Okay. Sorry, plus 4. Done. D. Because R, look, R is 18. We have to add 12. If we'll add 12, then we will go 32. But we cannot go 32 because we don't have any number like 32 in our alphabet series. So we will first reach Z. R to Z. R is 18. Z is 26. We have added 18 to 26. We have added plus 8. Okay. And then from Z we have to add again plus 4 because in all we have to add 12 now. Here it is pattern of adding 12 here. So Z plus 4. So from A onwards what is the number value of 4? It is D. So we have written. So the code for answer is cryode. Okay. Because the code from here we have identified the pattern for a booklet. We have applied that pattern for answer. Thank you for watching this video.